If you want to learn fast with Duolingo, you need to do at least 7 things. First of all, you need to write down what you're learning. I've done it, you need to do it too. Second, you need to be curious. If you don't know what a word means, you need to find out. I've put a dictionary in the link. Next, you need to anticipate where things are going to be difficult. So if you see something that looks like a letter H and it's actually a N sound, or something that looks like a Y and it's actually an U sound, you need to think that's going to be difficult and give it the attention so that the difficulty evaporates. Next, you need to make associations, and I'll show you how to do all of these. I'm going to show you at least 3. Next, you need to have fun. So if there's a word that sounds like cock, you need to enjoy the cock. You need to look for cognates. So if it's a tona and it means ton, celebrate that. I'm going to give you a few of those. And last, you need to test yourself. Now, let me show you how it's done. I really like the Ukrainian alphabet on Duolingo. The first 4 letters are A, like father, T, like stop, N, like nice, and it's so hard to see that letter and say N, isn't it? That's going to take some practice. O, like soda. And examples, we have tato, which is dad. Now, I've checked that on the dictionary, that's fine. Nota, note, that means note, nota. Tonna, which is a ton. So we could learn those words. Next 3 letters, we have K in kind, D in day, and U in true. That's another one. Seeing that shape and saying ooh, that's going to take a little bit of getting used to, but I'm going to do it. Examples, we have tut, here. Ducat, which is a ducat. Coot is angle. And I'm thinking acute angle, coot. Newt is chickpea. Newt is like a little bit like a nut. Chickpeas like a nut. Newt. Then we have cat, which is an executioner. How appropriate. Cod, which is code. Cord. Okay, so I'm cheating a little bit. I'm introducing that gr letter. Cord. And cock is cook. Grow up. A few more words that I like that I've found while exploring these letters. We have tona. Oh, I already had that. Tona is ton. Danka is a Danish woman. And then I found a couple of others just in the dictionary. Deodorant is a deodorant. And dodomu. I love that. Home or homewards. Dodomu. Here's your vocabulary list. I think it's a good idea to set yourself a little goal of learning vocabulary. There's not many on. You write them on a card, in Ukrainian on one side, in English on the other, and you test yourself. Simple as that. Okay. Now you know how to get the best out of Duolingo. The next thing you need to do, and you need to do it now, is have your first conversation. Watch this video. See you soon. Do popatrzenia. Papa. Oh, grow up.